Hello everyone, and welcome back to the HrFlow.ai platform. Today, we're going to learn how to create and customize a CVbot source. We're also going to see how to deploy it on a web page so we can easily collect the CVs and resumes of our candidates. The CVbot is a chatbot that prompts applicants to drop resumes on any page of your website. Statistics show that 90% of your website visitors never apply to a job. The CVbot helps you convert most of these visitors into candidates by automatically engaging them and dramatically simplifying the application process. It only takes a few minutes to set up the CVbot source. To do so, please follow the next steps. On the HrFlow.ai platform, go to the Sources section and click on Create Source. You will be then redirected to the Sources Marketplace. Under Website category, choose CVbot Source. And when the pop-up window appears, click on Create Source. Now type in a recognizable source name that you can easily remember. Next, choose the point of contact for your CVbot. This is the person that will be visible to your candidates in the chatbot. It could be your hiring manager, for example. If you wish to send a standard confirmation email to the candidates after they drop their resume, check the Apply Notification switch. You can also make your source private if you don't want other teammates to have access to it. Finally, you can add other teammates as source managers so they can manage the source with you. Once you finish, click on Create Source to confirm. Congratulations! Your CVbot source have been created successfully. In the Overview tab, you will find your source key, which identifies your source if you want to use the HrFlow.ai API. You will also find a generated JavaScript code snippet for your CVbot source. You can easily implement the CVbot by copying this code snippet on any page of your website. Let's do a quick test and try it out on an empty page. First, check the local test switch as we will be testing the CVbot locally. Next, copy the generated code snippet into the body of an empty HTML page and save it. And finally, open the HTML page on your browser to see your CVbot. Now let's test the CVbot by dropping our first resume. As you can see, our application was successful. To customize the messaging and display of your CVbot, click on the Settings tab. First, specify the widget name, which will appear automatically on the page with the CVbot. Then, type in the welcome headline and the welcome message that will appear once you click on the CVbot. A messaging that prompts visitors to drop their resumes will be more successful in capturing more applicants. Next, specify the success message confirming that the application has been received. You can also change the loading time to control how long before the CVbot shows up on the page, or the screen side of the CVbot to appear on your web page bottom left or bottom right. If you want the CVbot to be available on the mobile version of your website, turn on the Active on Mobile switch. You can activate explicit consent to request consent from candidates before applying, ensuring full GDPR compliance. Finally, you can customize the widget color to fit your graphical identity. To save all your changes, click on the Edit button. Great! Let's now check the new CVbot. As you can see, the name, color, and screen side have been changed, and when we click on the CVbot, we see the new messaging as well. After we drop a resume, we see that the success message has changed as well. This concludes our first tutorial on the CVbot source. I hope you found it useful. As always, all relevant resources are in the video description. You can also leave your questions in the comment section and we'll get back to you. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get the latest HrFlow.ai tutorials. See you in the next video.